If you think the new Bing AI is really cool and you use Bing website to use the Bing AI, then you're doing it wrong, my brother, because there is even a better and powerful Bing AI that you can use. You still have to use the Microsoft Edge, and this is the new and powerful Bing AI. At the sidebar, there is this button, Bing logo button, which says Discover. If you click on it, you can access Bing AI without leaving the website that you are in. Let's say, for example, I'm in a google.com and I don't have to leave google.com to chat with Bing AI. And here is where it gets even better. We have a chat option, we have a compose option, we have a insight option. So let's first talk about how to get this new Bing AI. It's actually pretty easy. Go to this website. This is the official Microsoft website where you can download the Edge browser. And from here, you just need to download the Microsoft Edge Dev Build. They are actually advertising this right now, that if you want to use the new Bing, then you have to download the Edge Dev Build. But if you don't see this, don't worry. Just scroll down here. You'll see Dev and just download it. You know the chat option. You can ask anything you want and Bing AI will give you answer. So let's just talk about the Compose and Insight. Compose is really interesting. Using this, you can write paragraph, email, blog post, even ideas. Let me actually give you an example. I'm just going to ask this to write a blog post for Samsung S23 Ultra. You can also go more specific, like camera spec or whatever type of blog post you want to write. For this example, I'm just going to type this and let's see what it writes. Under the tone option, you can choose different options, like what type of blog post you want, like professional, casual, enthusiastic, informational, funny. For this example, let's just go with the informational, so it will give us some info about the S23 Ultra. We can go with the length, short, medium, long. I'm just going to go with the short, which is also actually pretty long. So I'm going to click on generate draft. Okay, it took like almost 1 minute to write a short paragraph. I'm just going to copy this to here. And obviously we can't just read it here. It's just going to make the video longer. But I'm pretty sure it has done pretty good job at writing the blog post for us. It talked about the display, camera, performance, battery, This is all informational things it has picked up. Only the informational, like, these are like factual stuffs, like the camera, what type of camera it has, and how many megapixel. The S23 Ultra has the 200 megapixel camera, so it got it here. The performance, it has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Some things needs to be corrected. They are no longer working on the Exynos, so we may have to correct some things. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, this is like if you know about the ChatGPT, there are millions of people using it. Same thing goes for the Bing AI. They are using this for different things like writing blog posts, ideas, paragraphs, emails, and So yeah, this is Compose thing in Bing AI is just powerful, and all of this is happening while I can still browse. Okay, let's search for S23 Ultra. I'm still here, all right? Let's go to any website. I'm just going to go to this website. Now, the last option, it has Insight. If you click on it, whatever content the website has, it will give you the insight of that, and it will give you some more info about that. So this is an article about the S23 smartphone. So you can see it's talking about the Samsung electronics, all right? And it's talking about the S23, how much it costs. Okay, there is that. You can also, expand this even further by clicking on the topics, all right? And you can also do the search. It also gives you the info about the website. Even it gives you the info about where the traffic is coming from. to this website. So this website looks like is really popular in United States. 81% of the visitors are from the United States. This is actually a really powerful tool. I mean, if you're someone who really likes to use Bing AI, you have to try this out. As of me making this video, you can get this version of Bing AI only through the Microsoft Edge dev build. But if you're watching this video in future, maybe the stable version of Edge will also get this. So as of now, you just have to download the, Edge dev build. Yeah, let's have a chat. I don't have anything to ask, but still, let me try. Who is the wife of Kakashi Hatake? Good, I'm satisfied with this. There is no mention of Kakashi Hatake having a wife either in the manga or anime series. However, there are some fan-made characters such as Hatake Mina and Alice Uchiha. I don't know if I'm saying that's right, but yeah, who are portrayed as his wife. Yeah. Okay, this is just for fun. I mean, I love anime, all right? The only anime that I watch, Naruto, now I think it's Boruto. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you still have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment, and we can also have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yes, that's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.